Hello, welcome to Christmas Delight, and my name is Ian John, the singing chef. And today we are going to cook coronation eggs, which basically is hard-boiled eggs. We're going to empty them out, and we're going to make a nice sauce with chicken, scallions, onions, honey, black pepper, turmeric, salt, right? Where we're going to make something out of this. Right, first we're going to make the sauce, right? I'm going to put a little bit of oil, not too much, right in there. I want to put these in with it. Oi, love it. And then we put in our chicken. And let's just stir that around a little bit. Let them cook off. Put in most of the curry powder. Right, that's good. Put in the turmeric. I love doing this. It's all good for color. And if it starts drying up like this a little bit, you probably need to add a little bit more oil. That's why I didn't add all of it in the beginning, because I like to use as least amount of oil as possible. Right. Like that. That's very good. I really like that. Black pepper, you know. And basically, black pepper and salt, you do to taste, right? You don't ever listen to people when they tell you exactly. There are only certain dishes, like when you're cooking pasta or you're doing rice, that you have to put a little bit of salt in the water. But otherwise, if you don't want to use salt, don't use salt. In fact, I think salt actually inhibits the taste sometimes. In fact, a lot of times if you add it too early, right? Or if you add too much. And if you add too much, a lot of times what you have is that you do that and then you want more salt, right? The whole idea is use as little as possible. And then you get really nice, well-balanced flavors and full flavors, right? That's all the goodness that's in there. I'm going to let this just come together as a sauce, right? Basically what that is curry chicken. Right, so what we're going to do here is I'm going to halve these eggs like this, right? Take out the yolks, right? Just, yeah, place them over here, right? This is a fairly quick job. I'm sure you've done stuffed eggs before. I like stuffing eggs. Right. There we go. Open them up like this. Right. Very nice shape. These are pretty good eggs. Yeah. There you go. Last but not least, out of 6 came 12. Right. Now you see these, I am going to put into the sauce, and it's going to thicken it. Oh, cripes, what am I doing here? Okay, so we're going to take all these, we're going to put it in here. Right? I'm going to put that back on the stove, and I'm going to cook it slowly. It's only going to probably take about 5 minutes, and that's all going to come together. It's going to give me a nice little paste. Right? But we want to cook this on like a medium heat, not a high heat, because you don't want it to burn at all. That's what's really, really important. No burning. Right? So we're going to leave this on here to just reduce down. And that's going to thicken. Let's take this mixture out. Oh, lovely, right? Yes. Oh, I didn't tell you before, but I actually put sour cream. It's about a half a cup of sour cream, and some coconut milk in this, right? Gives it a really nice flavor, right? Right. So all we do with this is just put it on top, like that, right? And then you put it on a clean plate. Sorry, I got to do it this way. Oh. Right. Right. This is a lovely way to have eggs, to do eggs. Right? You don't have to put too much, just as long as it's enough to cover. Right? Yep. Almost done. Right? The reason we're doing this is because you got to use this in. We'll make the mess in this plate. Press them down so they kind of cover all the top. That's what we want, like this. Don't want much egg showing. Right? These are fantastic little finger food things that you can use for the but that you can add it to your Christmas buffet. All right? So just carefully lift those out. Lift those out. Right? All right. Carefully lift these out so they look nice. Nice and groovy, like a smoothie. Right. These there. All right. And this one there. Great. And this one is for me. Amazing.